YouTube channel. So for today's video, may panibagong site na naman tayong pagkakakitaan. Ito ang OK/TRX.xyz. So paano mga ba makapag-register dito? Ilagay lamang ating mobile number, login password, security password, ang ating invitation code at i-attach lang natin itong code. Then click natin itong sign up. So yun guys, once na nakapag-sign up at login na tayo, so pagpasok natin ng site, meron ditong latest announcement sa atin si OK/TRX.xyz. So, OKE-TRX Top 10 Global Mining Basis Mine Number 1 next to the Gear Glowly Higher Station in the Upper Columbia River, Washington State, Northwestern United States. Mine number 2 next to the Superior Station in Northern Brazil. Mine number 3 Zambezi River Gia, Zimbabwe next to the Bashawer Station, Mozambique. Mine number 4 the lower reaches of the Tocantins River in the Amazon region of northern Brazil, adjacent to the Tocrevo Power Station. Mine number 5 next to Tacoma Power Station on the lower Caroni River in Venezuela. Mine number 6 Upper Parana River near Paraguay, Brazil, next to the Itapaico Power Station. Mine number 7 next to the nuclear power plant in Kelgar, Karnataka, India, on the banks of the Kalinadi River. Mine number 8 Upper Zingo River in the lower Amazon River, Brazil, next to the Miljan Highway Station. Mine number 9 rather, next to the Julie Jiaozu Station in eastern Venezuela. Mine number 10 Upper Yenisei River in Siberia near Zion Highway Power Station. So mag-proceed naman tayo guys sa ating total balance dito sa ating account, sa ating site. Meron tayo dito 1,055 and 82 TRX. So magtungo tayo sa ating trading. Once na nakarating sa ating trading, we have here the trading profit 24 hours settlement, and we have here the 50 TRX 25 transaction revenue. So we have here cloud mining is working 5%. So magtungo tayo dito guys. We have here the product list of OKE-TRX mine number 1 daily rate 2 cycle 7 days. And we have here the OKE-TRX mine number 3 daily rate 3 cycle 30 days. And we have here the OKE-TRX mine number 10 daily rate 5 cycle 90 days. And then we have here the OKE-TRX mine number 5 daily rate 6 cycle 120 days. And then we have here the OKE-TRX mine number 8 daily rate 7 cycle 150 days. And then we have here the OKE-TRX mine number 2 daily rate cycle 180 days. And we have here the OKE-TRX mine number 7 daily rate 13.5 cycle 360 days. Then magtungo tayo guys sa ating share. So guys, once na nakaproceed tayo sa ating share, so paano nga ba tayo makapag-earn na rewards dito sa ating site? So meron tayo dito ito ang ating invitation code, then yung ating link sa ating site. So kakopy lang natin tong link, then i-share natin siya through social media like Facebook, Instagram at Messenger. So para makapag-earn tayo ng rewards. So magtungo naman tayo sa ating mine. So once na nakatungo tayo sa ating mine, meron tayo dito nga total balance na 1,055 and 0.82 TRX BIP1. So TRX deposit quantity 6 TRX. Recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal function. So guys, paano nga ba tayo makapag-deposit sa ating site? So click lang natin to deposit. So once na click na natin yung ating deposit, meron tayo ditong transfer to basic account and transfer to promotion account. So investment is divided into two modes. First, recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Singapore time zone after 24 hours every day. And then the second one is recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return to the principal income upon maturity. View notes. Before investing, please choose a basic account or unpromotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue. So, paano nga ba tayo dito makapag click lang natin itong transfer to basic account. So yun guys, once na nakaproceed tayo sa transfer to basic account, we have here the QR code and the copy address. So, kakopy lang natin itong address na to para makapag-deposit tayo dito sa ating site. Then magtutungo tayo sa ating account sa Binance. So yun guys, once na makapag-proceed tayo sa ating Binance, i-click lang natin itong ating wallet. Once na click natin wallet, click lang natin itong ating withdraw. Then crypto, and then TR. So yun guys, once na nakapag-proceed tayo dito sa ating AtiraX, so meron tayo itong address, network, and amount. Then, ipaste lang natin yung kinapi-paste natin na link galing sa ating site. So ipaste lang natin siya dito guys. So yun guys, na-paste na natin yung ating address, then i-input lang natin yung ating amount. So yun guys, once na na-input na natin yung ating amount, i-click lang natin yung ating withdrawal, then click confirm. So yan, may warning siya dito guys. So nakalagay dito is, after withdrawal is complete, the assets will be transferred to the recipient address. Please make sure you have entered the correct address. And please make sure that you fully understand how the assets are used and possible risks involved. Beware pyramid schemes, illegal fundraising, and scams. So, ito guys, may nakalagay ditong I fully understand the potential risks associated with assets withdrawal and confirm that I would like to continue withdrawing my assets. So, pipindutin lang natin tong may check. Then, click confirm. So yun guys, meron tayo ditong verification. So may mag-isend nga sa atin ng code dito sa ating cellphone number at sa ating Gmail. So i-click lang natin ng send code para may ma-receive tayong code. So once na may ma-receive kayo na code, i-paste nyo lang siya dito guys. So yun guys, once na na-click nyo yung submit, then ito nga ang lalabas guys. So request submitted na siya at withdrawal request submitted. System processing. So, napaka-legit talaga ng ating site guys. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-register na kayo at huwag nyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at click ang notification bell para mas update pa kayo sa mga i-release namin video.